Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abel Glory, and if you're new here, please don't forget it. You are at the right place and at the right time. So today I want to show you guys how I made this knotless box braids without extensions. You know, sometimes you just want to do something with your hair. So box braids are protective styles that is ideal for keeping the natural hair healthy. It is not just for the natural hair. If you have relaxed hair and you still want to tuck your hair away, you can easily just do this box braid at home. So these styles features individual pleats that are usually divided by small squares of parts of boxes. It can be in any size, it can be in square, it can be in star. There are several styles on the internet that you can just pick from and do and make yours with. So there is no fixed size, as it can come in small, medium and large. So there is no fixed size, there is no fixed length. You can do whatever suits you at the time you want to do yours. You can also install extensions, but this video is mainly for those who just want to tuck their hair away and who really don't have the time for extensions right now. And one more thing, box braids can never go out of style, as it is extremely easy to maintain. It protects the natural hair strands, it reduces intensity of hair manipulation, it gives room to pay attention to the ends of the hair. I know we both want to retain length, we both want to keep our hair moisturized and safe. So all you have to do while wearing braids is moisturize your hair by applying leave-in conditioners, by spraying your water and applying your hair oils. You don't have to necessarily do a lot, because all you have to do, wake up in the morning, moisturize your hair and go about your daily routine. So braids should be your go-to style. Braids, twist, bantu knots, whatever it is that would protect your hair and will give you that retention you've been looking for, will give you that length and volume you've been looking for. Just do it. Protect your hair from breakage, protect your hair from the evils of this world. Keep your hair safe, baby. I tried as much as possible to keep this video short, so I couldn't show you guys how I did it and what I did at the back. All I did was section my hair in 3 parts, one part for the back section and one for both sides. I had to section it equally, so you see it. I did the back before making this video, and I made the other parts, my left hand side of my face, before making this video too. So I'm just going to show you guys and let you guys see for yourself how I did each box and how I was able to cut through straight lines, and just see for yourself, please. So to get the straight line at the front, I started from my brows. You can see it, right? I started from my brows just to give me that straight line. I know how hard it is to cut through hair. I'm still learning, but I'm just happy this came out pretty well. Yeah. So you can just do yours. It's easy if you start off from cutting your lines from the brow and take it all down, like straight down. It's easier that way compared to when you just want to go and start from your hairline. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Leave a comment in this comment section if you'll be trying this. You just have to keep following your brow line to make a straight line and not your hairline. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and please let me know if you tried this. You can come back, comment, let me know. You just encourage me to do more. And like this video, share with your friends, and